Guys, hi and welcome to another episode of Cindy's Kitchen. As you can see,
Hey.
with a bottle of my Texas spring water on my hand.
That's right.
And a spoon on the other hand because we're gonna make chicken pasteles.
Oh boy, what's going on here?
What I have is I got my big caldero on high, as you can see, and then you see I took 2 chicken breasts and I cut them in tiny little pieces like this.
Chicken breast.
Can you like move back a little bit? And I want to show you here. Come here, Mike.
Yes.
The only thing that I have here is the chicken, no seasoning yet.
All right, check.
One jalapeno cut up in tiny little pieces.
Check.
2 little pieces of red onions cut and diced in little squares.
Look how little that is.
And
Check, check.
1 clove of garlic.
Make sure it's only 1.
Now what I'm gonna do to that is,
yes.
come and see.
Oh.
We're gonna put salt.
Zoom in, zoom in, zoom in.
Be careful. I know this is getting very hot.
It is.
No. And we're gonna put pepper.
Yes.
And we're also gonna put
Oh yeah.
oregano.
All that green stuff.
And then we're gonna move this like this, right here.
Mix it up, mix
Right,
it up.
cut it up, and let's get all that seasoning here together like that.
Season it
Yep, don't let the dogs get any of that.
I won't. Ginger.
And then with my spoon here, we're gonna put this in here. There we go.
All right.
Be careful. Be careful, Mike.
Woo! Burning up, burning up.
How does that smell?
Oh, it already smells good.
Exactly.
Who's that for? Who's that for? Is that for me?
That's for you and Dad.
Or for Junior? Or for Daddy-O?
All 3 of you boys.
All right. Actually, 3 men, but
That's my chicken.
how's that smell? How's that? You know, I wish we had smell-o-vision. Wish everybody could smell this. They gotta come out with that apple. You're listening.
And after smell.
And Samsung, come out, guys, with the smell-o-vision. Google too. Come out with smell-o-vision, guys. Come on.
Oh, that'll be like
Right?
really cool. Yeah, I know.
I mean, why is it not out yet? Oh, look at that
So I'm
chicken.
gonna put a little bit more of oreganoes.
How much more oregano?
Just a little.
A pinch? Pinchy
Yeah.
pinch, pinchy pinch.
And a little bit more salt.
That's right. Always want to put salt, not too much. You don't want it to be inedible.
I said, you know what I want to put in, Mike?
What you put, what you put.
1 Sazon Goya con culantro y achiote.
That's right. And we use it sometimes.
So, because I don't want to put sauce, because if I put sauce, they're going to get too wet.
That's right.
And we're making...
Mostly in chicken,
and we're
right?
making flour pasteles. You know what I'm saying?
Mostly in chicken?
Yeah.
All right.
So what we're going to do, I have it on high.
That's
See?
right.
I have that on high.
Zoom in,
So we have the
zoom
fan on high.
in. Yes.
There, it's on high. That's the highest that it goes.
All right.
Our fan over there. You
That's
see?
right.
We want that oil to be all around.
Cooking up, cooking up.
Be careful with that over there.
Yes, mama. And guys, if you already made this far in the video, make sure to hit that like button and hit that notification bell so you get notified of our uploads.
I know. Let me see if I'm chopping this here.
Chopping now, chopping now. What's that? How's that taste?
Really nice and brown, delicious.
All right.
So what I want to do is...
So we're making chicken pasteles. All right. We've never made this before, guys.
Yes, we have made pasteles, but these are...
but beef. And those were empanadas.
These are flour tortas, uncooked,
Yes.
that they need to be cooked.
Yes.
Which are just flour tortas from Goya.
But uncooked.
They're $1.89. Let me see if I still
I think they're in the fridge aisle near the eggs, right?
a little baggy. Yeah, here they are.
They're near all the eggs
Right
and dairy products.
Goya.
Or is
The
it in the
Goya
frozen?
products
Is it in the
fridge.
frozen section?
In the fridge, empanadas. You see, look.
Yes.
Para empanadas.
All right.
Okay?
All
That's what
right.
it says. All right? So what I'm doing is separating them. Because after we separate them, and the chicken is done, we're just going to fill them and fry them. And that's how you make pasteles. You can make it. We have made pasteles out of ground beef, I think, Mike. Have we?
Empanadas, yes.
Empanadas.
Is that the same thing?
Pasteles, empanadas. Well, empanadas, pasteles, they're supposed to be like 2 of these pastelitos. There's 2 of these like run on top, and then you put, but they're supposed to be smaller. And with the meat in this, but they're supposed to be now.
So these are empanadas.
Empanadas are when you fold them like this.
So are we folding them like that?
We're making chicken empanadas.
All right,
Exactly.
chicken empanada.
Fried chicken empanadas.
That's right.
That's right, look.
That's right, that's right, that's right.
Brown here.
Brown it up, brown it up.
That way.
Oh yeah.
I need that more brown.
You don't want your meat too dry, but you don't want it raw either. You want it just right.
Yeah, but you want that cooked. You want that crispy.
That's right.
So when you jump, you
a nice sear on that chicken.
When you bite into that empanada, you want that, you know what I'm saying?
That crunch.
That crunch.
But also the delicious flavors from all the seasoning, the red onions, green pepper.
An onion, jalapeno, oregano, salt and pepper.
That's right.
Because that's all you need. You don't need anything else.
Mix it up, mix it up.
You just want to brown this. You want it darker than this. You want to make it darker. And this is enough meat for 10 empanadas. 10.
That's right.
Making, and then we're going to fry it in that oil that you see over there.
That's right, right there.
So I'm going to keep on browning and browning. And you guys go ahead and subscribe. I'm going to be back in 3 minutes when this is very, very dark.
And hit that notification bell.
And don't forget to hit that notification bell. And don't forget to like us on Instagram, on Instagram, on Twitter, and
Facebook,
Pinterest, Google
Tumblr. All them all.
Oh
yeah.
And I'm gonna keep on moving this, and I say like 2-3 minutes. We'll be right back. Okay? Don't go away. Okay. And this is how my meat came out. And we're back, Michael.
Oh yeah, we've been back.
We're back. Oh, I didn't know that.
Oh.
Okay, so you can lower my caldero. I was talking now.
Chicken now, chicken now.
Okay, so now you need to move.
All right.
And I need
just taking some beautiful photos.
This like this, look.
That's right.
Okay. And then I need a spoon. Sorry. And I said we're making how many pasteles? 10 pasteles, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. See that? And then this is what you do is you take a little bit of the oil. Come here. You put it on the edges.
And make sure you put flour down first.
Okay, I did put flour down.
No,
first.
I'm telling you.
Oh, he's telling you guys. See my son? Oh, that's a good boy right there, guys. So with the same oil, I'm gonna go like this, with the fork, and I'm gonna press down. You know, so it
press
can.
Press it down.
So when I fry it, the insides don't come out.
Right, and you don't want oil to seep in because then it becomes greasy.
And that's a pastel, our first pastel.
Number 1.
And I like to put flour like that on the bottom. And then we're gonna pastel number 2, right, Mike?
That's right.
Pastel number 2, that's
number 2.
Number 2 is gonna have onions and all that stuff, that good stuff, right, Mike?
That's right.
And then we're gonna do the same thing. Take the brush and around the edge. Just gonna go like this. This is onions. These little black pieces, they're not burned. They'll give it a crunch to it. And then we're gonna take our fork, put it back in the oil, and from the end, press down the 2 pieces against together. Yeah, do that. You don't want the oil frying. You understand what I'm saying? And coming all together. So that's my second one, as you can see. So you know what to do. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to touch that notification button, and we'll be right back as soon as we're done with this. When we come back, we'll be frying this over there. Over and out. Alright guys, that's my canola oil.
That's
it's
right.
hot enough to put in. I think I'm gonna put in my 8. There's 1 right there. Yeah, it's hot enough. There you go. Put it on high. I think I want to do like 2 at a time. Oh, whoa, there we go. And then we'll turn it. We're going to be making 6 of them. 3 for Michael and 3 for the husband. You guys know how that goes. Every time. Right, guys? Frying pasteles. Chicken pasteles.
That's right.
Don't forget to subscribe. The rest of the empanadas, I already gave my husband 3 of them. This is our chicken empanadas that I made with the discs from Goya, empanada discs. You can get them at the supermarket. They're like $1.66, something like that.
Chicken empanadas.
You get 10 of them. You put them in the freezer. And like an hour before, you decide that you're going to make some empanadas, which is pork or beef or chicken like I did. Fried chicken, very tiny strips. You thaw them out. You put them in the fridge, or you can put them outside by, you know what I'm saying, by your drain board, whatever, you know. Let me turn this fan off. And don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, on Twitter, on Facebook, on Google+, on Tumblr, on Pinterest. You can Google us. You can, go down and check our link to our Patreon account that you can actually donate to us $1 or don't donate to us anything, and we're still going to be making these wonderful recipes that everybody loves.
That's right.
And thanks for watching, and thanks for being there. And also, if you need any dog treats or your best dog food ever in the world, go to lifesabundance.com/for-all. You will be clicking in my link that will take you to all the dog food that you need, whether it's for little guys, medium, large, older, or not older, dogs with teeth, without teeth. We have it all, treats.
That's right.
And
click the link down below.
Ears, for the big guys, toys, we got it all. So with that, I'm going to let you guys go. Don't drink and drive. Love you all. Be good.